Let's get into the Azure portal and create the Recovery Services Vault in action. To get started with Azure Backup, go to the Azure portal and type Recovery Services Vault in the search bar at the top. From the search results, click on Recovery Services Vault to open the service and begin setting up your backup environment. This vault is the central place where you'll manage your backup policies, protected items, and restore operations. To proceed, simply click the Create button, either from the top menu bar or directly from the center of the screen. This will start the process of setting up your Recovery Services Vault, where you can configure backup policies and manage protected workloads. On this page, you just need to enter a name for your Recovery Services Vault. Then select the appropriate subscription, resource group, and Azure region where the vault will reside. Make sure you choose a region close to your workloads to optimize performance and compliance. Click Next. On this page, you're configuring the redundancy settings for your Recovery Services Vault. First, under Backup Storage Redundancy, you need to choose how Azure will replicate your backup data. You can pick from Locally Redundant Storage (LRS), which keeps 3 copies within a single data center, Zone Redundant Storage (ZRS), which spreads your data across different availability zones in the same region, or Geo Redundant Storage (GRS), which replicates your data to a secondary Azure region hundreds of miles away for maximum resilience. If your workloads require high durability or compliance, GRS is usually the best choice. Next, decide whether to enable or disable cross-region restore. When enabled, this feature lets you restore data in the paired secondary region without having to wait for Microsoft to declare a disaster. This gives you more control and speeds up recovery in case of regional issues. Choose these options based on your disaster recovery and compliance needs before proceeding to the next step. Click Next. On this page, you are choosing how to encrypt your backup data stored in the Recovery Services Vault. By default, Azure uses a Microsoft Managed Key, which is secure and requires no additional configuration. If you want more control, you can choose a customer managed key stored in your own key vault. Just keep in mind that once selected, this encryption setting can't be changed later. If you are only using this vault for Azure Site Recovery, you can skip this step since it doesn't apply. Click Next. On this page, you can choose to enable immutability for your Recovery Services Vault. By turning this on, you prevent anyone, even administrators, from deleting or modifying backup data for a set period. It's a powerful safeguard against ransomware and insider threats. You can always disable it later from the vault settings, unless you choose to lock it, which makes the setting permanent. If compliance and data protection are critical for you, enabling immutability is a strong best practice. Click Next. On this page, you choose how your Recovery Services Vault will be accessed over the network. If you select Allow Public Access from all networks, your vault can be reached from any internet-connected network. For tighter security, you can choose Deny Public Access and allow private access to restrict access only to private endpoints within your Azure Virtual Network. Choose the option that aligns best with your organization's security policies. Click Next to tag or simply review plus create. Recovery Services Vault will be deployed successfully with your chosen configuration.